lot of people ask me, what is a dental bridge? A bridge is used in the mouth in where there are some missing teeth. For example, if you have one or two missing teeth in a row, basically a bridge can be placed to replace those missing teeth. It's placed in the mouth permanently. It is not something that comes out or gets loose. It is cemented to your existing teeth, and it'll give you the missing teeth back, and obviously we match it to the rest of your teeth so everything is same color and same shape, so it does not even show that there's any missing teeth in there. Best way to find out if you're a good candidate to have bridges is for you to come in so I can do a free consult and a scan, and we can go over all the options that are available to you.